like it.
Alright, good morning beautiful people out there. We just woke up. It's 3:45 in the morning. We are leaving for the volcano track. So our tour guide is waiting for us somewhere at the starting point of the Mount Batur volcano track, and yeah, we're gonna get some volcano exploration today. There's the crew. So we're here, we're on the way to the volcano. How long it's gonna take us to get on top?
It's about 1 hour, I think.
1 hour's hike up, okay. Alright, we're officially going off-road. Here's the first sign, it says 500 meters to the first top. Pretty good way to start the day. Feeling pretty exhausted. So you found this sign that says Batur 1,717 meters. There's like a lot of information in here. We've been hiking up for like how long?
It's about like 40 minutes, I think.
40 minutes already, right? Okay.
So we need like 20 more minutes to get to the top.
20 more minutes. Only 20 more minutes to get to the top, buddy. Let's do it. That's his signature move. Things starting to get a little brighter.
I mean, like the Europe people, they do only one step, but I do like twice step.
And why is that?
Because they have a long leg.
European has longer legs. Yeah.
But mine is not.
Beautiful. That's me. Oh my god. Oh. That's where's the crater?
The deep of the crater.
It's that way, right? The crater. Thanks for bringing me up here. Awesome. Give me that signature move. Yeah. Min is back. He fell a little far behind, but he's finally back. We're all together now. Yeah, yeah.
Get them angled.
Get them angles. All right. So far, so good. We got some really nice drone shots. Check this out. There's steam coming out.
So when I blow with some little cigarette,
Yeah?
so the smoke gonna get bigger.
Uh-huh.
Magic, you saw this?
Okay, show me some magic. So what did you do? You just blew the air?
Yeah, because actually this pipe is like connect with the super. But that's really inside.
Right, right.
So when we touch some fire or incense, we can the smoke they get it bigger.
Right. That's our tour guide doing some magic over there. Oh,
It's
ooh. Yeah, it is.
more inside.
Oh. More magics to come.
Oh, I'll get out of your way. Yeah. I wonder what the chemical reaction is that makes it do that.
Yeah. Something's hit my brain. What is it? Out of the world, bro. Like, I've never smoked this before. You gotta try it out. You know?
Isn't it cool? I don't think Google will tell you this, honestly. I don't think Google knows. Like, from...
Okay, that's apparently the crater of Mount Batur.
So actually this is the main crater.
Yeah.
So it was erupted in 1849.
1849?
Yeah. That is
Okay. Wow, look at that rock formation, like really nice peak up there. And there's another peak. We're gonna hike up all the way around. Probably gonna end somewhere over there. Yo everyone, count on 3, say it out loud, Bali, okay?
Okay.
3, 2,
2.
1. Bali! One more time.
Bali!
1, 2, 3. Bali! Woo! So this is like the Mount Batur is the second highest volcano in Bali, and there are only like 2 volcanoes in Bali. The tallest one is Mount Agung. Mount Agung is like 3,000 meters high, and this one is like 1,717 meters high. Look at those green colors. Our tour guide turns out to be like the coolest one here. We're quite of the same age. You're 23, right? 23. Yeah, that's awesome.
But still young we are.
Yeah, we're all like young and wild, bruh. This is like a huge drop from up here. There's no coming back. If you fall down, oh my gosh. Alright, we're just having our breakfast. Got some snacks from last night. Little sweets, biscuits, and chips. What do you got? Chips, right?
Yeah.
Chip sticks on top of a volcano. These are the lava flow that came from the second crater. The second crater is somewhere around here. Like, look at those textures. Running wild in Bali. Woo! Okay, now this is where things starting to get more sketchy. I don't know how he's doing it. It's like really sandy and very slippery. It's not that it's wet, but it's just like slippery. You don't have the grip, you know. So, but I'm learning like from the professionals over there. See this struggling. That's some real stuff. Yeah. Walk on the sand. Yeah. Walk on the sand. It's better, he said. I mean, I don't mind sand getting in my shoes, like as long as I don't fall or anything. All right, bro. This is good. This is good. All right, so we finally made it all the way to the main crater. It is really big. It's somewhere over there. It's like this whole area is like a crater. And so we started like somewhere here. That's the parking area, and we like hiked around the mountain, the crater, and we ended up here. I thought we were gonna go back to like where we came from and like get to the bike, but it turns out like it's like around to back to where you came from. So we're gonna fly the drone for one more time and get some really nice shot of the crater from really high above. All right, this is happening. This is happening. Oh my God. I can't believe this. We are literally on the edge of this crater. Mount Batur. Oh my God. And just so you know, it's just so annoying. There are like thousands, millions of flies here all around. I don't know why. Can anyone tell me like on the comment section maybe like why there are a lot of flies in Bali? Like put your hand inside. Not even 5 seconds. I think I can do it like. Holy shit! Oh, I'm not overreacting or anything. This is like for real. It's really warm inside. Now you know we're standing here on top of an active volcano near the crater. That's the smoke coming out. Alright, so I got this one stone, little white one here. This one looks awesome, like a lot of stones. Oh, look at this. This one is like with different colors all together. You know, a little part of the volcano in my very own place back in Thailand. I miss this place already. It'll be finished next year, right? So the temple that you see over here, it's in front of Mount Batur. The whole architecture, the whole thing was made out of this stone from the volcano. The bricks, they make those bricks from the volcano stone and made the temple. We made it all the way down from the volcano. It was pretty easy on the way down. Apparently Min got a cramp, so it took us a little longer, but he's doing all right. He's powerful. We made it. We all made it. We all are strong. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your help, bro. So anyone coming to Bali, if you wanna get on top of the volcano, the Mount Batur volcano, always ask for Gedu.
G'day.
G'day.
Yeah.
So always look for G'day. Highly recommended. He's awesome. Mount Batur checked from the bucket list. Woo!
Yeah, that's really cool.